Audi has always been a pioneering brand, questioning the status quo and taking daring steps. The combination of cutting-edge technology and design has always been a success story. Think of the GT, and now it's time for the next big step. In a world that is becoming overly complex, our answer is clarity. This is the essence of the new Audi design philosophy. I'm happy that the Concept C is a preview of a real production car, a car that we will see on the roads. The vertical frame at the center element in the front. The car has an innovative roof concept that open or close always embodies our design language. Technology is close but never dominant. The interior has a high-tech concept that combines minimalist design with intuitive functionality. The new design is a next big step in the renewal of Audi as a company. In the way we design our car, we will also shape our organization with clarity. With that clarity, we will gain speed and we will address the challenges of the market. We renewed our complete product portfolio with 20 new models in the past 2 years. New ICE cars, new plug-in hybrids, new battery electric vehicles, and the battery electric vehicles are benchmarked with 800-volt technology, ultra-fast charging, and ranges of up to 750 kilometers.